Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting in the People album, open Photos and tap Albums, then People. You need the person tile visible, tap it now. Once inside, tap the three dots or Edit to reveal options. You'll remove that face entry first, because deleting photos alone may not clear the People tag. Make sure iCloud Photos is enabled if you want the removal to propagate to other devices. If not, changes stay local. Now prepare to remove the person and target their images. Tap Remove this person or Remove from People. Confirm the prompt to unlink the face tag from the People album. This step detaches the algorithmic tag. It does not delete the underlying pictures. Once done, go back and check photo thumbnails for the person's tag. If tags persist, open a photo, swipe up or tap Info to remove a name tag manually. If you prefer no automatic face grouping in future, open Settings, Photos, and turn off Use Face Recognition. Now remove the actual images. Go to Albums, then Recently Deleted. Select the images you removed from People, or tap Delete All to permanently erase them. This clears remaining traces from that album. Make sure to confirm permanent deletion. Items in Recently Deleted remain for 30 days until you do. Once deleted, give iCloud time to sync if enabled, otherwise changes are local. Troubleshooting tip. If photos reappear, restart your device and check iCloud Photos sync status, then repeat permanent delete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.